Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code Cali25. Link in video's description.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys the Nissan pickup, this one that I got from COPART like 2 weeks ago. You didn't get to see a lot of it from last video, so I'm going to show you guys everything this video. I'm going to go around the truck, turn it on for you guys. And honestly, guys, I would really like to know what you guys think of the truck itself. You know, was it a good buy? Should I just let it pass? 475 bucks for the truck plus fees. I just want to touch it up as fast as possible, try to get it looking nicer, since like I said, the motor and the transmission, everything is okay. Tags are due to next year, so honestly the truck doesn't need anything besides looking better. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. That's my goal for this truck, just make it look a little bit better and turn it into a $1,500 truck, maybe more. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it possible for this truck to be worth more? I know it's worth more than what I paid. I don't know how much more though. I am gonna get it smogged. I don't know. I mean, just overall, what do you guys think? Should I just touch it like my plan is? You know, just touch it up and get rid of it like that, and you know, make room for a new project? Or should I go the extra mile and add more money to it and maybe not get my money back? You know, like I said, you know, buying cars from COPART, you win some, you lose some. So I mean, if you got a vehicle, of course, this is a cheap truck. This is pretty cheap, but if I were to spend maybe like $3,000 on a car, or maybe $4,000, whatever I spend on the car, and it turns out to be this good, I mean, just take advantage of it and just fix it the less. I mean, spend the less money you can on it and try to get the most out of it. So I don't know. I'm kind of in a stuck in the middle of not knowing what to do. You know, what I want to do is spend the less on it and try to get the most out of it. You know, because a lot of you out there are starting to buy cars from COPART and stuff like that, and you know, I mean, if you're making 500 bucks, 400 bucks, whatever profit it is, and you're not spending that much on it, I mean, that profit is profit, you know. I mean, but everybody else thinks differently. So let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think? So with that said, let's get to the video, guys. You saw the truck, of course. So let me show you some of the damage. That front bumper, that's bent. That thing's got a crack. These things kind of loose. The clear is gone on some of the spots, on most of it. At least that's what it looks like. It's got a dent right here. Gonna need tires. Biggest dent is that. That's the biggest dent that the truck has, besides the paint. But I mean, it is a 29-year-old truck, so I mean, it's a new bumper, or you can leave it like that, depends. This is a bad one too. It seemed like he had like a toolbox, or maybe some lumber racks at some point. It doesn't need that. I just did that just for safety. But the paint seems to be okay on some spots, like right here. See, the paint is pretty glossy in some spots. The hood is the one that looks like it's completely gone. But like I said, 155,000 miles. It drives. It was there 6/17. I think that's, what is it, June 17th? I believe that's when they got it. Well, I don't know. That's what I think that means. But if I'm wrong, let me know. Like I said, AAA. That's pretty much it. Let me go get the key. Check it out, guys. No leaks. It's not leaking. No oil at all. It's been here since yesterday. So this is the key. The only key it came with. And it smells like an old Nissan. It doesn't smell bad, but it's got that smell of an old truck, especially Nissans or Toyotas. They got like a certain smell. And it is pretty dirty, but it runs and drives. So I haven't gotten to drive it that much, guys. Remember at the COPART yard, I got the forklift driver to bring it outside and leave it right next to my trailer, so I could drive it first a bit and make sure it does run and drive. Because if it didn't run and drive, I could leave it right there, and I'm not obligated to take it, to buy it. So keep that in mind, guys. Always, if it says runs and drives, always make sure it runs and drives in the parking lot. Don't take it outside the parking lot and then bring it back, because they will not take it. Because you could easily take it outside, and if you didn't like it for any reason, you could pull a cable and bring it back. And you know, that's what they know people do that, you know, because honestly, people do that. I've been to other public auctions, and you know, cars are running okay, and because that person wants to take it, he'll just pop the hood open and take a relay out or pull a cable, and then he's gonna start, you know, the car's gonna start idling pretty rough, and people won't buy it, you know. I mean, the car's gonna go for low and the car's okay. So they know people do that. So don't take it out the parking spot, drive it there, and if it doesn't run, you know, if it doesn't run, if it says it runs and drives and it doesn't run and drive, then don't take it. But if it does run, if it's hard knocking, if the motor is knocking or ticking, you know, and it still runs, then you know, that's up to you, because you had to go check it out in person. So like I said, I haven't that much. I got it, and let me show you why I didn't drive it. Like I said, I didn't see this truck in person, but I did see some photos a little bit. And this is one of the reasons, that made me not get him to drive it. Because see this line, insurance made this mark, so that made me think that the radiator had a crack or was broken or something. So I was thinking, you know, maybe all the coolant was, but you can see the coolant right there, see? So I thought all the coolant was already drained out, and the truck didn't have no antifreeze or anything, no coolant, and they were gonna turn it on and maybe leave it on for a while till they move the other cars, and I didn't want to risk it overheating. So that's why that's why I decided to get it out of the forklift and make sure myself it had all the coolant and then drive it. So pay attention to all those little details, guys. What's up, guys? So now I'm headed to the post office again. I'm gonna drop off another license plate kit. See you guys when I get back home. Shea or Shea, S-H-E-A, yeah, S-H-E-A, Shea. I don't know. Let me know how do you pronounce it, guys, in the comment section. But then again, how are you gonna let me know how to pronounce it in the comment section? So all you could do is type it. So we're practically back to zero. So I don't know if I pronounced it bad. Just let me know that I did. So I guess so. Yeah, guys. There it is, guys. Starts right up. Pretty quiet. Okay, guys, so that's how the truck looks. You saw already what's wrong with the truck. Mechanically it's running okay. I already got to drive it around the block and stuff like that, and I mean, it's running perfect. No funny noises, none of that stuff, no bad shifting. So for the next video, guys, you've seen the paint, you saw how bad the paint is, the hood and stuff like that. So for the next video, I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know if you guys, I don't know if you can see this. See, it's pretty glossy now. don't know if you remember seeing it, but it wasn't as glossy as it is right now. So I kind of brought the gloss back. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see some gloss back. Some of the shine is back. Look on the hood. Let me show you guys a little bit. Remember that door, the top of the door was pretty bad. You can see a little blemish right there. I still need to retouch it, but see, most of the gloss is back on both sides. See? So if you have a car or a truck or something that paint looks really bad, maybe it's not the end of it. You know, it may look like it's got no clear, but you can still bring some gloss out of it, and that's what I'm gonna show you guys in the next video. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Hit the notification bell. Give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes you happy, and don't forget to leave a comment, as I do read most of the comments. I try to read all the comments and reply to you as quick as possible, but sometimes I'm working and I can't do it right away. So either way, guys, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, thumbs down. Also, guys, check out my license plate repair kits. I'll leave the link in the description below. If you guys need some ceramic coating, remember you can get $25 off when you use promo code Cali25 using the link below also. And you know, just check out all the links below. I got some decals. There's a Teespring page right there. You can get some t-shirts and stuff like that. So everything helps my channel, guys. If you own a BMW and you need the Carly app, I'll leave the link in the description also. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. See you guys in the next one.
Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code Cali25. Link in video's description.